Benefits of mint. 1. Relieving digestive problems. Mint has antispasmodic properties that can help relieve digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. 2. Reducing inflammation. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Improving brain function. The aroma of mint has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. Benefits of saffron. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains several plant compounds that act as antioxidants, which can help protect your cells against oxidative stress and free radicals. 2. May improve mood. Saffron has been shown to have antidepressant properties and may help improve mood and treat symptoms of mild to moderate depression. 3. May improve memory. Saffron has been used traditionally to improve memory and cognitive function.